In this lesson, we will see together the possessive pronouns, but more precisely, we will see la sienne. So, of course, the question is, what are the possessive pronouns? Well, they replace a noun previously mentioned to avoid repetition. This is the concept of the pronouns in French to replace a noun that was mentioned. They are used to indicate ownership or possession. So that's the important thing, and that's the reason why we call them possessive pronouns. And the last thing that is quite important, they agree in gender and numbers with the thing or things being possessed. So you will have to choose your pronouns according to the gender and the number of the things they replace. So this lesson is about la sienne. And the possessive pronoun la sienne can be translated into English as hers, her own, or her one, depending on the context. Remember that la sienne is féminin singulier. So we will see some examples with la sienne. Ma robe est jolie, mais la sienne est encore plus élégante. Ma robe est jolie, mais la sienne est encore plus élégante. Sa maison est spacieuse, mais la sienne a une vue magnifique. Sa maison est spacieuse, mais la sienne a une vue magnifique. Notre idée est prometteuse, mais la sienne a un fort potentiel. Notre idée est prometteuse, mais la sienne a un fort potentiel. Ma volonté est solide, mais la sienne est incroyable. Ma volonté est solide, mais la sienne est incroyable.